Okay guys, big problems. The wheel just broke off. So completely it broke. It seems like maybe we can fix it, but it will take some time. Why? I'm going to pick up the wheel, which is I think something like 300 kilometers there. Okay, I found the wheel. Check out. There's our car. Mamma mia. I'm rolling the tire back. I haven't seen anybody for at least 10 minutes. Okay, the parts arrived. But still 100 kilometers to go. We are repairing everything. Almost there. We can drive again. You don't believe it, but all Dutch guys, they found us. They saw a car 20 kilometers. They just went in between the dunes and they found us. Mamma mia, how possible?
Tough one.